In my video guide, I will give you recommendations on how to effectively remove the unwanted browser extension that is called Dark Mode Online. Dark Mode Online is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of the extension claim that it's some extension that helps you switch quickly your websites to dark mode. At first glance, it looks as if this feature is handy for some categories of people. But the point is that the extension, in fact, operates as adware. It acts as adware because once installed, it starts displaying its own advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. Anyway, Dark Mode Online is the extension that you don't need to keep on your system. If it was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it. Access the menu, click on More Tools, Extensions. So now when you find this extension as active, deactivate it and remove the extension. This should be sufficient enough. Of course, you can research the control panel. It could be that there may be some other hidden adware that may display advertisements. If you don't find anything suspicious but you feel like your browser acts in a very unusual manner, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start investigating your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.